Aloha! So for this week, we're going to be studying the Trello mobile app for our case study number 3. So as you can see, I've already downloaded the app, Trello, so we can open it up here. Since it's going to be your first time, you're going to have to log in, create an account. So go ahead and pause the video right now if you need to. Okay, once you've logged in, what we want to do is through the tab bar navigation, we want to go to boards. And once you get to boards, you can press this add button here. And then you can name your board. So for example, for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to call it test board. Visibility, I'm going to set it to private, and that's because only folks that I invite to work on this board with me collaboratively will be able to view it. And then you're welcome to change the background if you want to. So let's check out colors. This is a nice color. So we can set the background color, and then what we're going to do is go ahead and create. So if you've watched the video about the Trello app, it's really to help you guys manage any kind of projects you're working on, design projects, mobile design projects. So it's really a project management tool, and especially if you're working on a team, you're able to collaborate, attach files, and things like that. First, what we're going to do is we're going to add a list. So you can say to-do list, for example, if you're working on a project, and then you're going to add that list, and then you're going to add a card. So for example, I know that right now most of you guys are working on your project 1, so continue working on project 1, and then you can add that card. And then you can go ahead and add another card. So let's see. So turn in assignment. Oops. Let's see. Assignment. And you can add. And that's about it. So here's your to-do list, so things you have to do. And then you can also add another list. And for example, maybe you want to make a list specific to one of your other classes, or you can say working on, and then you can say for project 1 working, you're working on timeline 1. Okay, and then you can go ahead and add that. And then you can add another list that says completed. And that allows you to keep track of anything that you've completed. So you can see that on the bottom you have this page view controller, and you're able to navigate back through all of your lists. There's also a search option, so you can label things, turn in assignment. You can actually put in a due date. So how did I do that again? I went here, I expanded that item, and then you can go ahead and add a to-do list. So turn an assignment. You can, we do have an assignment due next week Friday, so we can go September 22nd, and most of my assignments are due around 11 p.m. So we can just put 11 p.m. Done. You can put labels, you can add members so that you guys can actually collaborate on the same board. You can do a checklist. So I invite you guys, you can also comment to your team. You can attach a file if you want to. And once again, this is everything that you can do on the desktop version as well. So let's go ahead and close out this larger view here where we can put in more detail. And we'll go back to our list, and then you'll see that it's marked here, turn in assignment on September 22nd. So for your Trello assignment, I'm going to be outlining some steps that I want you to do for your board, and then you're going to share your board with me so that I'm able to view and make sure that you are able to accomplish all the tasks that I asked for. If you have any questions regarding how to use the Trello app, definitely send me an email, or you can rewatch this demo, or you can also watch the demo that I posted for this week, which was created by Trello. All right, so let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your boards. Aloha.